This is the Amazfit T-Rex 3, and Amazfit claims it's the ultimate rugged GPS watch that can go toe-to-toe with brands like Garmin at a fraction of the price. Big claim, right? But after digging into detailed testing from experts like DC Rainmaker and spending time analyzing how this thing performs in the real world, I found something interesting. It's insanely good in some areas, but it's not perfect. So, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. Amazfit T-Rex 3 Product Overview. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 is the latest rugged multi-sport GPS watch from Amazfit, released in early 2025. It's designed for outdoor adventurers, runners, hikers, gym goers, basically anyone who wants serious fitness tracking without paying premium Garmin or Apple prices. This thing is built tough, MIL standard certified, water resistant, and packed with dual-band GPS, advanced training metrics, offline maps, and a bright AMOLED display. It's aiming squarely at watches like the Garmin Fenix series, but at a much lower price point. Amazfit T-Rex 3 Performance. According to in-depth GPS and heart rate testing from DC Rainmaker, the dual-band GPS accuracy is genuinely impressive. In urban runs, forest trails, and open roads, it tracks very closely to higher-end Garmin watches. That's huge. For runners and cyclists, GPS accuracy is non-negotiable, and this nails it. Heart rate accuracy? Surprisingly solid for optical sensors. It's not chest strap perfect, but for steady-state runs and gym sessions, it's very usable. High-intensity intervals show some minor lag, but honestly, that's normal for wrist-based sensors. Day-to-day use feels smooth. The Zepp OS interface is responsive. Swiping through widgets doesn't lag. Notifications pop in reliably. It's not an Apple Watch replacement in terms of app ecosystem, but that's not what this is for. And the maps? Offline topo maps with turn-by-turn navigation at this price point? That's a big deal. If you're hiking or trail running, being able to see actual map data, not just breadcrumb type of trail. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features. 1. Dual-band GPS. This basically uses 2 satellite frequencies for better accuracy. Why should you care? Because your pace and distance won't spike randomly when you run through tall buildings or tree cover. It's reliable where it matters. Massive battery life. We're talking multiple weeks in smartwatch mode and strong endurance even with GPS turned on. Compared to something like an Apple Watch, which needs charging almost daily, this is freedom. Go camping for a week, no charger stress. Offline maps and navigation. You can preload maps directly onto the watch. For hikers and trail runners, that's a game changer. You're not relying on your phone battery or signal. Design and build. The case is chunky and aggressive with raised bezels to protect the screen, but the AMOLED display is bright, colorful, and easy to read even in direct sunlight, something outdoor watches absolutely need. It's lightweight for its size, which surprised me. You don't feel like you're wearing a brick. The buttons are tactile and usable with gloves, huge bonus for cold weather adventurers. It's not sleek or dressy. This is not your office flex smartwatch. This is your I might climb a mountain this weekend watch. Battery life. Battery life deserves its own section. DC Rainmaker's testing showed it lives up pretty closely to Amazfit's claims. With regular workouts and notifications, you're easily getting over a week, often much more. Heavy GPS use drains it faster, obviously, but compared to competitors in the same price range, it's excellent. Compared to something like an Apple Watch, which needs charging almost daily, this is freedom. Go camping for a week, no charger stress. Pros. Excellent dual-band GPS accuracy. Outstanding battery life. Offline maps at this price. Cons. Optical heart rate struggles in intense intervals. App ecosystem isn't as rich as Apple or Garmin. Final verdict. If you're a runner, hiker, cyclist, or gym enthusiast who wants serious tracking without spending Garmin Fenix money, this is an absolute no-brainer. If you're someone who cares more about Apple Watch apps, voice assistants, replying to messages, and seamless iPhone integration, you're probably better off with an Apple Watch. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 isn't trying to be everything. It's trying to be a tough, long-lasting, highly capable outdoor fitness watch, and in that lane, it seriously delivers. Is it perfect? No. But for the price-to-performance ratio, it's one of the most compelling rugged GPS watches right now.